Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying carrier support and that your Vivo Y12 has recent updates. This avoids registration errors. Once done, join the Wi-Fi network you plan to use and make sure signal is strong. Weak routers create handover failure. Now briefly enable mobile data with the SIM inserted so the phone can register your number with the carrier while it learns the Wi-Fi fallback. Make sure battery is above 20% and airplane mode is off before moving to settings. You go into Settings, then SIM and Network, and select the Active Voice SIM. That directs the phone to carrier provisioning. Next, toggle Wi-Fi calling on. If the option isn't visible, force a carrier settings update or restart the phone to refresh provisioning. When prompted, enter a validated emergency address because carriers require it for E911 routing. This makes emergency services reachable from a Wi-Fi call. Once the feature shows as active, test with a short outbound call to confirm. You finish by placing several short test calls, noticing audio clarity and whether the phone hands over to cellular when leaving Wi-Fi. If calls drop or Wi-Fi calling never registers, reboot the Vivo, forget and reconnect the network, then toggle Wi-Fi calling off and back on. These steps refresh provisioning. Make sure location and emergency address settings are correct. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the error message, network name, and phone firmware so they can verify provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.